Fiesta Adventure Park, Fiesta World Mall, Lipa City. So now we are celebrating Halloween, so hanggang midnight kami. So kung ngayong gabi, October 31, abot kayo. Pero bukas sa 1 a 2 hanggang midnight pa rin kami. And going all throughout the season hanggang Christmas, we are always 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock. But as always, meron kaming fireworks every Saturday and Sunday. Punong-puno ng kasiyahan, so please bring your families. 350 pesos lang, all day only. Enjoy na enjoy kayo. So dito again, Fiesta Adventure Park, Fiesta World Mall, Lipa City, Batangas.
Ayun mga Kops, sakit na naman din sa may slide. Ayan, napakasarap talaga na experience yan. Hihilahin mo, tapos sasakay ka. Siyempre, i-slide ka dyan.